Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 27. Problem number 131. A number when divided by 296 gives a remainder 75. When the same number is divided by 37, the remainder will be. So here they have not given dividend. Divisor they have given. So 296 is nothing but the divisor. So when you are dividing by 296, we will get the remainder 75. When the same number is divided by 37, so another divisor is 37. So this will be considered as divisor 1, this will be considered as divisor 2. And the remainder we need to find when it is divided by 37. Okay. So we know the formula. What is the formula? Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here divisor is nothing but 296 into quotient is nothing but we don't know the quotient. Okay. And the remainder is 75. So when the same number is divided by 37. So if you are considering this as the complete dividend. So if you are solving this one, we will get the dividend. So if you are considering this one as the complete dividend, so when it is divided by 37, okay, so consider like this 296 into quotient plus 75 divided by 37. Okay, so this we need to take in terms of 37. So this is 37 into 8 times is 296 into quotient plus 75 we will consider like 37 into 2. This is 74 plus 1. Okay. Divided by 37. So solve this one. So 37 we will take it outside. 8q plus 37 into 2. Okay. So 37 we have taken outside. So only 2 we have to take it plus 1 divided by 37. So we will get the equation 8q plus 2 plus 1. So this will be the quotient and the remainder is 1. So when the same number is divided by 37 in the sense, we will get the remainder is 1. So the correct answer is option A, 1. Next, problem number 132. A number when divided by 119 leaves 19 as the remainder. If the same number is divided by 17, then the remainder will be. So 119 will be considered as divisor 1 and 17 will be considered as divisor 2. Okay. And here we know the remainder. Here we don't know the remainder. This is like previous case. Okay. So the formula is dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So the first case we will take it. That is divisor is 119 into quotient we don't know. Okay. They have not given. Plus remainder they have given. That is 19. So this if you are considering in the sense if you are solving this one, if you know the quotient value and if you are solving this one, we will get the dividend value. Okay. And when this dividend is divided by 17, what is the remainder? Okay. So divide by 17. Divide by 17. So 119 into Q plus 19 divided by 17. This solved in terms of 17. So 119 is nothing but 7 times of 17 into quotient plus 19 is nothing but 17 plus 2. Okay. So divided by 17 and take outside 17. So 7q plus 1 plus 2 divided by 17. So if you're solving this one, here the 7q plus 1 is nothing but the quotient and 2 is nothing but the remainder. So this 2 is nothing but when it is divided by 17, that the divisor is 17 in the sense, in that case, we will get the remainder as 2. So the correct answer is option A, 2. Next, problem number 133. A number when divided by 899 gives remainder 63. If the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be. So this is also similar to previous problem only. So the solution is dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the divisor in first case is 899. Into quotient, we don't know. They have not given. Plus remainder is 63. So this is nothing but the dividend. If you are solving, if you know the value of quotient and if you are solving this one, we will get dividend. Okay. So if the same number is divided by 29. Okay. So divide by 29. So everything you have to take in terms of 29. Okay. So take in terms of 29. So 29 into 31 times is nothing but 899 into quotient plus 63 we have to take in terms of 29. So 29 into 2 plus 5. This is nothing but 63. Okay. So this is divided by 29. So 29 you take it outside. That is 31q plus 2 plus 5 divided by 29. So if you are taking in this one, this is nothing but quotient and 5 is nothing but the remainder. Okay. So if the same number is divided by 29, the remainder will be 5. Correct answer is option C, 5. Next, problem number 134. When a number is divided by 31, this is the divisor. Remainder is 29. When the same number is divided by 16, what will be the remainder? Like previous problem. So the formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the divisor here is 31 into quotient is 29. Sorry, into quotient they have not given plus remainder is 29. Okay. So this is nothing but the dividend. When the same number is divided by 16. Okay. So divide by 16. So 31 into q plus 29 divided by 16. So this we have to take in terms of 16. But 31, 16 into 1 time it is 16, 2 times it is 32. So we cannot able to divide this number 32 in any multiples of 16. So if you are considering here, we cannot able to solve this one if you are implementing this method. So if you are considering the options here, the fourth option they have given data inadequate. So proper data they have not given in the sense we cannot able to solve it. So this we will consider it as fourth option, data inadequate. Since we cannot able to divide this number in terms of 16. Next problem number 135. When a number is divided by 13, the remainder is 11. Okay. When the same number is divided by 17, remainder is 9. What is that number? So here if you are considering, this is divisor 1 and this is remainder 1. And this is divisor 2 and this is remainder 2. So we need to find the dividend. Okay. We know the formula. Formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So both the cases if we are considering, in first case this is divisor 1 and this is remainder 1. So 13q1 plus 11 is equal to, both the equation we will equate, then we will find the answer. Okay. So this one we will consider it as 17q2 plus 9. Okay. So this is the first case and this is the second case. And now if you are considering 11 minus 9 is equal to 17q2 minus 13q1. 17q2 minus 13q1 is equal to 2. So if you are solving this one, the answer we need to get 2. So by trial and error method, we need to implement q1 and q2 values. Okay. So if you are implementing by trial and error method, we will get q1 is 26 and q2 is 20. Okay. That is 17 into 20 plus 13 into 26 equal to 2 we will get it. So 17 into 20 is 340. Sorry, here minus. Okay. Minus 13 into 26 is 338. So we will get 2. Okay. So by trial and error method, if you are implementing Q1 26 and Q2 20, we will get the answer 2. Okay. So this Q1 and Q2 value, if you are implementing in these two equations, obviously we will get the dividend. Okay. So 13 into Q1 value is 26 plus 11. So 13 into 26 is plus 11. 13 into 26 is 338 plus 11 in the sense 349. So the dividend value is 349. In this case also, if you are considering 17 into Q2 plus 9. So 17 into Q2 value is 20 plus 9. That is 340 plus 9. We will get 349. Okay. So both the cases we are getting the dividend value 349. So the correct answer is option B, 349. Thank you for watching this video.